See all this right here? This is the new IOD Holiday Release. It's the biggest time of the year.
This year, IOD came out with some of the prettiest products I have ever seen. I made 21 different projects. 3 of them failed. Wait till the end so you can see what went wrong. But the rest of them turned out so pretty. I used stamps and glass glitter. I have wanted to really work with the stamps for years, but I've been afraid of them. And I was determined to get that beautiful old German glass glitter look with paper. So I created a whole Pinterest board of historical paper crafting. It was so much easier than I had built it up in my head to be. So if you have not tried stamps, oh my gosh, you're going to be obsessed.
See all this right here? This is the new IOD Holiday Release. It's the craftiest time of the year. I know it's not Christmas yet. It's still August, but they wanted to release it early because everybody feels like they don't have enough time to make all this stuff. And I can see why. Look at this. There are 5 molds right here. There is the Santa mold. Wait till you see what I did with him. Here are all the new holiday molds. Snow globe, I think is going to be super popular. I am not going to play with this one for this video. It will be coming up in a future video. I have a plan for this guy, these, and these. The first thing I like to do is dust everything with cornstarch.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and
this one is very deep and it takes a lot of clay, and I have a trick for not using as much clay.
Key is mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we...
I don't enjoy working with the resin. I know a lot of people really like it. I am not a fan.
Get all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside.
I'm gonna use about this much clay. I don't want to use any more than that. So I just want it rolled.
Let me give you a Christmas.
Now I've got it nice and thin, and I am going to push it down into the mold, making sure that I press really hard so that I don't skip any of the detail. So I really want to push down because there's lots and lots of detail in this mold. And then you can take the excess and fill in where any holes might be.
Ooh, we're making plans of what we're gonna do.
Now let's see if we can crack them out. Gently release so you don't stretch him.
Wanna hold you close.
And there he is. He's fantastic. Look at him. Because I wanted him to be dry so I could work on him today, I already did him and I put him on this canister jar. I just laid him on there and put painter's tape so that he wouldn't roll up or crinkle up. Now he's dry. I need to glue him down, but I wanted to show you how to do it because there's all this detail in his hat and you don't want to miss out on that.
I saved the painting of Santa for next week's video because there are several steps to this, and this video is already going to be pretty long. If you like Santa, I would go order him on our website today. IOD is famous for selling out of their best holiday products. They are limited edition. They don't make them after this, and I have a feeling that Santa, along with this tiny house transfer, are going to be the 2 top sellers. You let me know in the comments which ones you think are going to sell out first.
Okay, for these I want them to be filled all the way to the top.
In my heart, I feel how this year's end should be. Holy Saint, oh, holy night, by your balsam tree, your brother May.
I bought some extra thick cardstock at the craft store, and I am going to use this for the backings of these so that they have some more strength.
Ring your bell now, hear the swell now, the Christ is come, a child our King.
It's important, very important, to glue the clay down while it is still wet so that it doesn't curl up. We can go trim off the excess after it dries. This is my favorite glue right here.
Oh Lord, to bring, oh shining star, from afar now point me to the grove, where the Lord, the babe in the manger played, away the ass and the lamb he grows. Ring your bell now, hear others will now. The Christ has come, a child our King. On your porch now, light your torch now, a virgin blessed.
I have been making ornaments like crazy, and our second order of the sampler boxes just came because we sold through the first set super fast, so we got another set ready to go, plus some other stuff. I got some unpacking to do. And look at how cute these shackets are. They're like a quilted with some lace, thermal. I mean, it is hot right now, but these are so cute.
I've always been afraid of stamps. I decided that this is the time, this is the year to just get over my fear of stamps. I started making stuff already, and it is turning out so good. I've been obsessed with the old German glass glitter, like the paper Christmas with the German glitter. I made some stuff, and I think I'm in love with stamps now.
Okay, there are 4 new stamps in the holiday collection. I am going to start with this one, Sugar Plum. There are nutcrackers and ballerinas and trees. It looks super cute. First, I've got this cardstock paper right here. I pulled off the nutcracker and the ballerina already. You always have to lightly sand your stamps when you use them for the very first time. That helps the ink absorb.
She was a good companion, eyes like the Grand Canyon. She was an American beauty. She was a long goodbye. She was the best I lived by. She was an American beauty. With her wafers on in the summer sun, her touch felt like a loaded gun. Wish I had held her longer. Wish I had held her longer.
The German glass glitter is crushed glass. It is from Germany, and it is what makes these ornaments look so incredible. We sell little sets on our website. Glass glitter is expensive compared to plastic glitter. We sell tiny little sets so you can try them and see for yourself how beautiful glass glitter is in your projects.
Her blue eyes shine in the summer sun. Her kiss felt like a loaded gun. Wish I had held her longer.
All right, I used the ballet stamp and I stamped onto this rice paper. This is great if you want a decoupage an image. I did a couple layers of the rice paper for her skirt. I stamped her because the back looks like this. And so you can see the stamp through and you can do the reverse image on the other side. I'm gonna cut her out and put her on. I love the blank rice paper. We sell it on our website. It is so good for projects like this. I have another project coming up that I'm gonna use it on, but I use it all the time. It's great.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside.
Sometimes IOD will sell out, and I'm in the middle of making a video for that product. I do not want to spend hours editing a video and making a product only to have the product gone. Ellie made a special tab on our website for everything in the holiday release. If you see something you like, get it before it's gone. I am done for the day, but I need to put all this paint away before I go. Fill up the shelves. We sold all of our kits, so I need to restock and go home. We got a bunch of new coffee mugs and I need to put them on the shelf because we'll be open tomorrow. Look at these mugs. I think they would be the best gift ever because they have scripture verses on the inside. As you're drinking your coffee in the morning, there's a reminder. I'll show you the one that I want to take home. It's lavender. The purple one. So cute. So I'm going to put these on the shelf. We also got these. I've been waiting for them. They took a long time because they came from France. They are French market bags. I'm going to have Ellie insert a photo. You can stencil on them, and I thought they would be so fun for customers to grab and sit down and use our stencil at our stencil bar. They're also on the website, so I'm going to put these away along with the mugs, and then I'll show you what they look like.
Ready, putting on my suede shoes some days. You just gotta let loose, hit every street like a dance floor. Baby, spin my favorite song, get it thumping. It's been way too long since I hit the Stars Boulevard for the evening. Take a little step, get the groove aligned. Slide into the motions, look into the time. It's so easy once you get it going, going. Everything is dreamy when it feels so fine, feels so fine.
For this project, I used 7 white paper lunch bags. I stamped both sides with the holly and pine stamp and the postcard stamp, and then I hot glued them all together down the middle. Once you get all the paper bags glued together, you want to make a point at the top of the paper bags. Then you want to cut out some triangles on either side of the paper bag. I used a really sharp pair of scissors for this because you're cutting through 7 paper bags at one time. Once you get all the paper bags cut out, you pull on each side and glue the ends together. And then you take the glass glitter, and I just went over every fold in the paper bag. The glass glitter is what makes it look super vintagey and Christmassy.
Four transfers plus the gold one. This one right here is my favorite. It's got birds, lots of birds. It is called...
Something went horribly wrong in this clip with my microphone, so I turned the sound down. I was just telling you that I was flipping through all the transfers. The fruit one is not that Christmassy. It is so pretty. Be sure and subscribe if you want to see the video with the fruit, because Winter Botanist and the Clementine transfer, that's the one with the fruit, those are my favorite. But I also really, really love Partridge Lane. Wait till you see what I do with Partridge Lane. Those 3 are the best in my opinion. I would definitely get those. I'm predicting that those 3 are going to be gone first. That's basically what I'm trying to tell you in this weird clip. I am using my new sampler box and the Botanist transfer, as well as some wood slices to create ornaments. I am painting the background, letting a little bit of the wood show through. Then I am giving it a coat of sealer with Big Top. I'm going to let that Big Top dry for at least a couple hours, if not overnight, before rubbing the transfer on. The biggest mistake that people make with transfers is they put on the sealer and they think they can put the transfer on right away. It dries fast, but it cures slower. At least give it 3 or 4 hours. If not overnight, you will have a lot more success with putting on transfers.
I remember the first time we met, face to face. Kiss on my neck, head, something that hasn't happened yet. I'm wasting my time, losing my mind over all this wasted time.
This project was definitely the most fun. I am using some chipboard, some heavy cardstock, and the Partridge Lane transfer. The little houses in this transfer are so adorable, and I knew that they would make the perfect snow globe. I'm taking those plastic ornaments that screw together in half. I'm using just one side. I have a really large one that's about 5 inches and one that is almost 4 inches. We also sell the plastic ornaments and the Partridge Lane transfer on our website. The little transfers rubbed right onto the cardstock without any issues. Once I got that done, I glued it to the chipboard. We have this great product that will turn our paint into really thick frosting. I just mixed a little bit of the white swan with like a 1/4 teaspoon of the paint frosting. You stir it for a few minutes and you watch it just kind of expand. It's just like snow. I took a tiny paintbrush and I added snow to the roof of the little houses and the bottoms and the trees, and I sprinkled on some white glass glitter before that paint dried. Then I took some of the garland elements that come with this transfer and I rubbed them around the edge of the plastic ornaments. Then I added some more paint frosting to the edge around the diameter of the ornament where the seam was showing to create some pretty snow and to hide the ugly seam.
Stones we carry, clothes we lived in, all the tales we will tell our children. Oh, we're taking the high road. Lay beside me, wake the morning, ever after, day reborn in. Oh, we're taking the high road.
To find all the products that we used in this video, to find DIY paint in your area, or to sell it in your store, click the link below. Be sure to tell me in the comments which one was your favorite and subscribe because we've got part 2 to this amazing collection coming up soon.
The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand.
If you made it all the way to the end of the video, these are the 3 failed projects. I'm going to tell you what went wrong with them in the next video and how to fix them. And I also want to give you an update on my dad. He got the flu, so he's been in bed for a week, but he's doing a lot better. He will be in the next video once he recovers, but him and my sister both got hit with the flu. I think my Aunt Linda gave it to them. I'm staying away.
So beautiful, kissing on